The giant strawberry. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a girl named Sarah. Every morning, she would wake up early and go to her garden. She had a small garden behind her house. One day, when she went to check her strawberry plants, she saw something amazing. There, right in the middle of the garden, was a giant strawberry. It was as big as a soccer ball. Sarah couldn't believe her eyes. She carefully picked the giant strawberry and held it in her hands. It was so heavy. She decided to show it to her family and friends. She rushed into the house and called her mom and dad. They were just as surprised as Sarah. They all marveled at the enormous strawberry. Sarah's mom suggested they share the giant strawberry with their neighbors. They cut it into small pieces and shared it with everyone. It turned out to be the sweetest and juiciest strawberry they had ever tasted. From that day on, Sarah's garden became famous in the neighborhood, and people would come to see if there were more giant strawberries. And so, the giant strawberry brought joy and happiness to Sarah and her town, reminding them that even the simplest things in life can be extraordinary.